This is your first time attending the Global Steel Dynamics Forum. Tell me a little bit about what you thought of day one.
Yeah, day one has been amazing, just to get the insights from not just our different customers, but also vendors, to make sure that we're serving our customers, but also gaining new insights regarding trends in the industry. It's been all it was sold to be, and I'm looking forward to next year.
Yep. Do you think you'll sponsor again next year?
Yes.
How has the Global Steel Dynamics Forum helped you build relationships and network with others in the steel industry?
Yeah, I think our value proposition is unique, especially to executives and decision makers and thought leaders. And so getting access to those and again, bouncing ideas off has been critical. Not that our day-to-day engineers are not thought leaders, because they absolutely are, but sometimes they have so much on their plate that it's hard to give an idea to a new concept such as Gecko Robotics. So the meetings have been great, the reception has been great, and it's been really insightful the entire time.
Great. Well, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you next year.
Thank you so much.